If you continue to cuss your data, I'm gonna actually rub you out for your data. Just come off of social media and leave it alone.
Yeah.
You know, so me get somebody send me a picture of your adopted data.
Yeah.
I can show you the video as well.
Show me the video now.
Okay, I'm gonna share the video.
Yeah, send it in my inbox.
I'm gonna ask you if I your daughter, I want you honestly tell me the truth. Okay?
Yeah, man, no problem.
Don't lie.
Yeah.
Don't lie, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on 1 minute.
Yeah.
I'm not bashing you. I just want you to open up and tell me the truth. Is this your daughter?
Yeah.
Let me find the video. Cause one of my friends sent me the video from Jamaica. Hold on. To the video, yeah? Hold on. Lay after this.
Wait, mega see. May look on it good.
Talk the truth.
Oh yeah, chocolate that.
Tell me the truth.
Yeah, that is my daughter.
Okay. So you know what you have to do now, right? You know what you have to do now? You know what you have to do, babes? Lock off your social media and leave it alone. Because I know your daughter. Somebody send me the video of your daughter. I know it's your daughter.
Yeah.
You're so stupidness lead to carelessness.
True.
I'm not going to say because I'm not like that. You understand?
Yeah, all right.